Welcome back. ChatGPT can also see, using Vision, videos. We can click on this new chat. What we're going to do here with this file attachment is we're going to upload an MP4 video. Now, depending on when you see this video, it's a good idea to determine what capabilities ChatGPT has with the video and what you can ask it to do. This is going to change over time, so the capabilities that you see in this video may differ from those that you have available to you. So we're going to give ChatGPT a structured prompt, and we're going to ask ChatGPT what we can do with this MP4 video. So once you have your list, it's a good idea to begin practicing what you can do with the MP4 video by going through each of these elements. For example, we're going to take one prompt, and we're going to copy it, and we're going to add this prompt to ChatGPT, and we're then going to click Enter. And ChatGPT will begin the analysis of your file to do the work. And so we will then iterate with the chatbot with its initial response, and ChatGPT has provided what we have asked. You can then click on this element. And just as we have requested, we have a snapshot from a key point inside of the video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.